Happy Saturday. First upload of April. On a road trip right now. Slept at a different Pilot. This one's in Bakersfield, Merced. And I slept really well. The last Pilot I slept at was at Palm Springs, and it was right by the street. This one isn't. So pretty quiet Pilot. Plenty of spots to park. I liked it. It's kind of hot today though. Got some new equipment. Filming them right now. Then I have to edit them. This Westinghouse power station, solar power station. And my Joy Tudis 12-volt fridge. Check this out. What's for breakfast? What's for breakfast? Ice cream is for breakfast. Ice cream and energy drinks for breakfast. This is why you want a van life, kids. Someday when you grow up, you could have ice cream for breakfast, sleeping in your van. So if you're a youngster watching this and you're on the fence of what's your first vehicle gonna be, don't get a sports car, get a van. Alright, I'm gonna top off on fuel right now. I believe it's like $3.69 right now. This is one of the cheaper areas. Alright guys, I will catch you guys later, and my next videos should be new equipment reviews.